गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट में एक टॉपिक है जो कि वेल नोन है हम सबों के लिए। इसका नाम है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स। तो आज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स और उससे रिलेटेड बार मैग्नेट और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट का डिफरेंसेस बताएंगे। जैसा कि पता है, कल हम जो क्लास ले रहे थे सोलेनोइड्स में, उसमें आपको बताए थे कि इफ we wind the wire, copper insulated wire, into the soft iron core, then and the current flowing through it, then we saw that this system of wire with the core, that is called electromagnet. So here is a soft iron core on which we wind the wire in this way, in a cylindrical way, and this soft iron core, this is made up of the soft iron core. So it becomes a electromagnet. But one thing here we want to say you, in place of the soft iron core, if we add the steel as a core into the wire, then we said then the current flows through it. Then it also behaves like a magnet. This also behaves like a magnet, but that magnet is a permanent magnet, like bar magnets. But when we bind the wire in a soft iron core, then it becomes an electromagnet. It means its nature is a temporary. We know that as soon as we flow the current into that system, then it behaves like a magnet. Otherwise, it's simply a wire and the soft iron core. So this is the main the points must we know that. So here is a small definition of electromagnet. Electromagnet is a magnet that turns on a electricity. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स एक मैग्नेट्स है जो कि फ्लोइंग ऑफ करंट्स के कारण ही उत्पन्न होता है। अगर करंट उसमें फ्लो नहीं कराएंगे तो ये मैग्नेट के जैसा बिहेव नहीं करेगा। बट इट हैज अ वेरी many uses here. It has a many importance here, and that's why we discuss their factors also. How can we, because of the electromagnet, it is a temporary magnet, so it has many good things. That's and how does it becomes a good thing? This is the factor of that thing. Like if an electromagnet is there and we wind the wire more times, many times, the turns is more, then this magnet becomes a stronger magnet. Like number of turns that can change the strength of the electromagnets. First is, if you change the turns of the wire into the soft iron core, then it becomes a stronger magnet. Second one, flowing of current. If you add the more strength of the current in that particular system of electromagnet, and you can increase the strength of the current, then you see that the strength of this electromagnet is also becomes bigger or higher. And if this magnets, if it has a south pole or north pole, if the distance between them becomes less, then what happens? Their strength is also becomes bigger. Like this is a wire magnet. It has south pole and north pole. When you wind into a horse-like shoe magnet, here the air gap is more, so the strength become less. But this same magnet bent into the horseshoe magnets, and then you see that the poles of this magnet is less, so the strength become more. So in respect to the wire magnet, same magnet, if it turn into the horseshoe magnet, it becomes a stronger magnet. Third one, the nature of magnet. We have already explained it in the case of the soft iron and steel. When we take the soft iron, it a permanent magnet, it temporary magnets. But when we take the steel, then it change into the permanent magnet. So this is the factor that change the strength of the electromagnets. That's why we are discussing here. Now we discuss about the second topic, the difference between the electromagnets and bar magnets. We have already known in a junior class that there are two types of magnet. One is artificial magnet and another is natural magnet. So this bar magnet is a natural magnet. This bar magnet is a natural magnet. Horseshoe magnet is a natural magnet. Rings magnet is a natural magnet. But electromagnet is a artificial magnet. It is a man-made magnet. When we make such system and current flows through it, then it becomes a magnet. Unless and until we stop the flowing of the current, it behaves like a magnet. As soon as we stop the current, then it's simply a metal like a structure or system wire with a soft iron core. That's why this electromagnet is a temporary magnet. But bar magnet is a permanent magnet and electromagnet is a temporary magnet. Second one is that we know that polarity. Magnet has two poles, north and south pole, and in a bar magnet, like a natural magnet or like permanent magnet, their polarity is not changed. If one end is a north pole, then it remain north pole, and second one is the south pole, it remain south pole permanently. But when we take the electromagnet, it is also magnet. It has also a two poles, but due to the change of the flowing of the current in a electromagnet, we can change the polarity of the electromagnets, in which sometimes this is a north pole and this is the south pole. But when we change in electromagnet, when we change the flowing of the current, then we saw that it becomes a south pole and it becomes a north pole. So here the in electromagnet polarity will be changed by the changing of the flowing of the current. Third one, permanent magnet. For the context of the strength, permanent magnet has a very weak strength. Permanent magnet has very weak strength. But temporary magnet like electromagnet, it has more magnet because we can change the strength of the magnet by these three factors. That's why the electromagnets, the strength of the electromagnet becomes bigger and lesser also. But now fourth point is here, we can change the strength of the electromagnet, but we cannot change the strength of the magnet, because we have already studied the factor of the electromagnet, in which when we change the turns of the magnet and flowing of the current and length of the air gap, then it can change the strength of the electromagnet, but the strength of the bar magnet remains fixed. So it is permanently fixed. So all about the electromagnet. Thank you.